2025 UFC Chrome Delight 2-box random weight class break number 4. We ran them both, the names and the spots, since this is not a serial. Here we go. Spots, straw and light heavyweights combined. And all the names. Make sure middleweight's there. Yes, it is. Here we go. Good luck, guys. 4 more. 6 and 3 is 9. 9 times on both. There's 8. 6, 3, 9. Oh, 9 times. Lightweight on top. Welter on 2 and fly on the bottom. Go here. 6, 3 is 9. 9 times. 8, 6, 3, 9. 8 times. 9 times. AQ on top. AQ on the bottom. AQ at lightweights and fly. Brad with welter, middle, bantam. Bobby with heavy. Brad with straw, light heavyweight. Bobby with feather. Let me get this. And I'll run the giveaway now. Print. Boom. Here's the giveaway. Douglas Glass. What up, Chris? How you doing? 21 entries. Packers. GG's. Congrats, Packers. How many has he won? This guy's on a heater? Let's see if we get you a nice grail and or a nice bunch of credit here. Good luck, brother. I have 0 remaining. I've spent all my money. I have 34 remaining. Top, middle, or bottom? He said top. Huge hit. These are so cool. Little Nick Fury to 75 on the purple. PSA 10. PSA 10. Let's see what we got here. Nice little credit option here. He said, put it back. What's your email? Wow, isn't your name Nick too? That's cool. Hotmail.com? Perfect. Let's see it. Oh, they're working on it. You're welcome, Nick. It's always good to see you. You were, honestly, like, Packers, I know you so well because you were, like, one of the first people to talk to me when I had my first stream on football. You were hanging out with me when I was on football. And I appreciate that. Yeah, with the 15 to 20, but now it's big dog. Football is big dogs now only. Super fat.
You started the video.
Yeah. Alrighty. Good luck, boys. You can hit supers in this, guys. I don't know if that's... It looks like just a gold. It looks like just a gold. Alright, here we go. Manifurio. Alishkab Kizarayev. There's Max Holloway. Pretty sure it's another $20 or $40 if I'm not mistaken. Vinicius Oliveira. Joshua Van to 75 for the flyweight spot. And Sean Aku. Michael Chandler, 80 out of 99. Oh. 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 John Pena. It's 10 out of 50. Here's our first auto. It is a champ here. So let's see. 8 out of 50. Oh, yeah. What way? That way.
Oh,
Max
I know
Holloway.
what way that is.
What way? That way. Max Holloway. Very nice. We love to see that. It's going to go to lightweight. That is a coup. Edson Barbosa on the auto. Oh, he's fighting very soon. Some Park to 25. I didn't even put the pin yet. There's Bilal Muhammad to 99. Sean's cousin is Max. And then Sean Woodson to 50. That was a good box. Sean doesn't have any Lucian Price Rainbow.
Are you sure this goes to light? I think it's feather.
I think it's light in this set.
Oh, in that set?
Yeah. Albert Bazzi. I think this box is going to be a little sad, but let's see. Martinez. Mackenzie Dern. Michael Morales. I'll work with Max's uncle. Do you really? Mofsar. I wouldn't doubt it. Oh. Oh. Islam Makhachev. 26 out of 50. Very nice. Lightweight. Shana Q. There's Forrest Griffin, the UFC PI guy. 35 out of 99. Future stars. Armin Sarukian. That's actually sick, IQ. It's a 99. There's Nicholas Dalby. Nice box. Alexa Grasso to 99. Raquel Rocky Pennington to 50. And Rinya Nakamura. That is to 99 as well. Not the compared to the first box, that box was kind of sad, but the first box was good with the Max Holloway auto. We'll do a quick recap. It is a delight box, so it's just a quick rip. I'll throw the rest of the case in the store. That way, whoever's on the rest of the weekend, well, you guys can rip it with them as well. Great, good hit, Aku. Especially with the Max. You can put all of these sandwich too. After only having 101.69 left. Yeah, we can do the recap. Possibly, just text me. I'll buy back. Joshua Van's nice. The Max Holloway. Hey guys, that was 2025 UFC Chrome Delight 2-box random weight class break number 4. 2-box.